What up, guys? It's me, Brandon, again, and this is our we got more parts in today video. So I got these headlights in. They are for the race car Civic, the purple one. So these look awesome. They were cheap. I think they were right around 60 bucks. I had to buy 97 style headlights because I'm switching my front end to a 97. Now that I have these, now I can finally put my front bumper on and see how everything lines up. So let's get at it. Let's start doing that. All right, y'all, we're here at the front end. I've already started. Got the driver's side headlight out. By the way, I do plan on getting a new one of these. Probably get one, or here. I do plan on getting a new one of these. Probably get one that's a little bit thicker, even though it is kind of strong, but it's also flimsy as well. It's loose here, not tightened. So probably gonna redo that at some point, or just get a brand new one. So anyways, first part of our little video here, and it's starting to look pretty good. Here's the that's the basically taking the headlights off, I guess, part. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt this other one on and get the other headlight bolted on, and then I'll get the front end bolted on. We'll see where it looks like. Okay, with putting the first one on here, there's some differences. This headlight assembly actually fits lower, so instead of being on top like how this one is, how the other one was originally set up, this looks like it's setting lower. So this just kind of is what it is for now, I guess. Also, this tab, you can clearly see, doesn't line up anymore. I'm gonna have to bend that down and rebolt it, or just redesign the entire thing, which I plan on doing anyways. So I'll probably just go with it for now, but I'm just trying to mock it up, just see what it looks like. That way I can get my bumper on here too. Yeah, it's definitely lower, that's for sure. But anyways, I'll be back when we get the other headlight in. All right, guys, so we got both headlights on, and it looks pretty good. I did have to modify and bend a few things as far as my support piece goes, but I already did talk about how I might just replace that. But everything does seem to fit. Fits a little odd. That goes lower. The headlight sits lower on this side and higher on the side. But like I said, this is custom made, so I don't really expect anything to fit, really, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and get this bumper fitted on there next, and I'll meet up with you guys in the next little clip. All right, guys, so we do have the bumper just resting on there now. I do have to make some modifications to it, not the bumper, but to the actual support for now, which I can do in another video, or just go ahead and just knock it out, which I probably just knock it out. So I got to move my tabs over a little bit here, slightly, just move them over, and same thing on this side. They both got to go in a little bit, so that's the difference, I guess, between a 98 and a 2000 bumper. And then probably push my support beams down there that go to the intercooler just slightly down, make a way this can bolt up here because it's not bolted up at all. So I gotta figure that out too. That'll be another thing. So getting a support bracket on this side, on both sides actually, but we're resting on here and it looks great. Can't wait to see it when it's finished. So hell, I can't wait to see when the whole car's finished, to be honest. But I think for now, what I'm gonna do, since I know what I gotta do to it, I gotta work in a few hours and the sun's going down, so I'm losing precious daylight. I'm gonna work on this maybe another day, weld some tabs on it another day, and just go from there. It's gonna look fucking awesome on the car, to be honest. I'm gonna close the hood and see how it looks with the hood closed, because I think that look even better. All right. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That looks awesome. Now I want to put the little grill piece in there. Sorry, guys. Like I said, nothing's just bolted on or put on the way it should be right now. It's just everything's custom. See, that's a little high there, so if I, God dang it, that fell off. All right, cool. So, man, that looks so good. I can't even, wow. That looks so good. I wish I had a way to hold those up. Oh, it's gonna stay. So I can take a good picture here. Yeah, guys, tell me what you guys think in the comments, because me personally, I love it. That lip on there looks amazing. The way the headlights and everything come together looks super awesome. Yeah, this car is really coming together really well. I'm really glad this front end actually got to go on here, because I bought this for my other car and it started cracking out on me a little bit, so I took it off, and now I finally fixed it. And what I got, the other car has the silver bumper. If you see in the other little shorts video I made, the other car has a silver bumper now, so this one can get this black one here. And the fenders, the slotted fenders look awesome. The hood looks awesome. Everything looks really great on this car, except for the inside. I gotta fix all that next. So finished doing the wiring and whatnot in it. Yeah, so anyways, I guess this is gonna be an outro to my video. Also too, if anybody needs any headlights, I've got brand new 99 and 2000 Civic headlights. I ordered them, put them on the car, and they've only been used up for mock-up purposes. That's it. They're literally just sitting there. I even have my old bumper sitting over there. If anybody wants it too, I'd sell it too. It's cut out like a big mouth for a big mouth intercooler. So fortunate it's sitting out here. But if you want it, let me know. So I'll put it up for sale. But anyways, this is Brandon from Gswaps. This is my beautiful Honda Civic. It's coming together. Anyways, please like and subscribe. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.